Where is it? Where the hell is that cat at? There we go. This cat was trying to get a bird, and now it's stuck. Does cats land on their feet always? Hey, cat, cat. There we go. What a beautiful little cat. Too bad you evil. You tried to get a bird, man. Now you're stuck up there. I guess you're going to try to land on your feet. I don't know. Hey, hey. It's probably scared because of me. You could have get that little bird. He flew away, didn't he? I don't want to throw a rock on you, but because that's some psychopathic stuff. I guess you don't want to get down because of me. Cats do kill. All right, now you're gone. I still see you.